Hello there and welcome to TAPSWAP Daily Task 1 and 2 for the 5th of August. Alright, if this is your first time subscribing, I want to say a big thank you to you. I appreciate you so much. And for all returning subscribers, merci beaucoup, gracias, excellent, namaste, obrigado, ogambaki, midawase, esheku melana gudi, anoa. Alright, go ahead and let me know where you're watching from and how I can tell you thank you in your local language. And please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also remember to smash the notification bell so that once I drop the next important video for you, you'll be the very first to get notified. Now, please, you have to forgive me for the noise in the background. I am in a very busy place. I'm in camp right now, and there are millions of children and teenagers all around, everywhere here, and the network is not pretty good. So that's why some of the videos are coming up late. We're struggling to get network because of the jam-packed crowd, and after finding where to record and then to upload an issue. So but you just have to bear with me, but definitely we'll make sure that the information you need to succeed with these Web3 projects will come to you, right? Yes, they may come a little late, but they will surely come to you. Okay, so just be patient, be consistent, keep coming, keep checking, okay? All right, now to get started with TAPSWAP, you just need to get in the description of this video and get a link and get started already. And to get support and regular updates and, of course, trainings, you need to join my Telegram channel, get link in the description. Okay, so I want to also know, where do you need help with TAPSWAP? Yes. What kind of help do you need me to make a video on? Just leave it as a comment and we'll take it up from there. That out of the way, let's get down to the task of the moment. The very first task 1, is this one, crypto security upgraded. Crypto security upgraded. So we tap there, watch the video, and after watching the video, if you don't watch the video, here will not be active. So watch the video and then come back and just tap on check. So just wait for it. Yes, my network is a bit poor, but then it will check out. Just wait. Finished. You can see it done. Finished mission. Congratulations, you have your 400k. So just watch the video and tap on check, and you are done with that. Crypto security upgraded. So let's claim it. All right, that's done. So we'll now go to the next. And the next one is make $5,000 plus with interest. Make $5,000 plus with interest. This is on with token. All right, this is the token channel. So you just go ahead and type the keyword there, which is INVEST, and that is invest and check. So you just wait for it to drop, and it's finished. Look at it there, done. Finished mission, and congratulations, you have your 400k. So go ahead and do it. Watch the video, come here and drop the keyword and check the video. Check it and grab your bonuses. All right, congratulations. God bless you. See you in my next video. Remember to like and share and subscribe if you are yet subscribe, and leave a comment. What level are you? How many millions of TAPSWAP coins have you gathered ready for the airdrop? I want to see you in my next video. Thank you and God bless you.